In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags effectively to supercharge your task management system. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to enhance your productivity, mastering the use of tags can be a game changer. So, let's dive in. To get started, navigate to your Asana project and select the task to which you'd like to add tags. Clicking on the task will open up its detailed panel on the right-hand side. This panel is your command center for making all sorts of adjustments to your task, such as changing due dates, assigning teammates, or leaving comments. Now, we're focusing on the tags, so let's find out how to add them. Once you're in the task's details, look towards the top right corner of the panel. You'll spot an icon with 3 dots. This icon serves as a menu for additional task functionalities. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find the option to add tags. Selecting this option allows you to start tagging, which is an incredibly versatile way to organize your workflow. For those of you who love shortcuts, here's a useful tip. You can skip the drop-down menu entirely by simply hitting Tab and T on your keyboard simultaneously. This quick shortcut instantly opens the tag interface for your selected task, saving you a few clicks. Once you have accessed the tagging feature, you'll notice that a tags column automatically appears in your project's list view. This is a fantastic addition because it creates a visual and interactive space where you can add any number of tags to each task. The benefits of tagging are numerous. You can categorize tasks based on priority, department, project phase, or any other criteria that makes sense for your workflow. Adding tags provides context and enhances clarity, making it easier for you and your team to manage and filter tasks efficiently. Now, what if you want to quickly find a specific tag? Asana makes this easy with its global search bar, conveniently located at the top of your Asana window. Just type the name of the tag you're looking for, and Asana will pull up any tasks associated with that tag. This search functionality helps you quickly gather information and keep track of specific task groups without having to scroll through extensive project lists. And that's all you need to know to start using tags in Asana. Integrating tags into your workflow not only streamlines task management, but also enhances visibility across your projects, creating a more organized and efficient working environment. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore all the other ways Asana can help you and your team stay on top of your work. See you next time.